Justice, 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 justice. Release our leader.
Experienced the damage the military did in the past, with them seizing their land, destroying their homes, and forcing them to relocate. My dad was also part of the student uprising in 1988, and they had to flee the country for their own safety. Now this is clearly an ongoing problem, where young people are suffering the most. They're being forced into a situation where they have no choice but to go out and fight for their rights. They never really know if they're going to make it to the next day. They have to fight to secure their future, to make sure they even have a future. Gen Z in Burma has my utmost respect for their bravery and courage for standing up against the coup. Now, how is it that the military should be protecting their country, protecting their civilians, but instead they are murdering their own people? Each day, we witness more deaths, despite the military's attempt to conceal their brutal actions. They are killing innocent, defenseless civilians, including children. Children as young as 1, and children who probably don't even know what's going on, but they're being punished for it. They have no regard for human life and kill with no hesitation. They have stripped them of their freedom. Now this breaks the heart of many, including myself, which is why I am here to encourage everyone else that is able to continue spreading awareness and using your platforms in any way that you can. I want to thank Ambassador Thomas Greenfield, United Nations representative for the United States, for her statement at the Security Council meeting yesterday, showing her concern and support from the United States. Additionally, I ask President Biden, Vice President Harris, U.S. senators and congressmen to take further action towards bringing democracy and ending the violence in Myanmar as soon as possible. We will not tolerate this anymore. Release our leaders and the detainees, and stop the killings of innocent civilians. We need all the help we can get to put an end to this, and we can't do this alone. Protesting can only get us so far, so we demand action and we say that enough is enough. And to all the fallen heroes, we salute you. Your deaths will not be in vain, and we will continue to fight until the very end. Godspeed democracy in Burma, and to Gen Z in Burma, we stand with you. And God bless Myanmar. Thank you.